Hi, this is Mr. Dika. We're gonna do the study tour to Bangkat Bayan. All right, I come here with a lot of students with me. I don't know exactly how many numbers of them, but let's go to see them. Guys, so today is our program for the study tour. The thing that we need to do is just try to say something in English. Not speak sebagai, not speak bahasa Indonesia. Okay, hey Isma, so do you prepare something to come here?
Yes, I prepare my book because there is a material maybe in our project now.
Okay, so how about you? What do you think about in this parking area? I mean, this place.
I feel it's very cool. I want to
Very
swim
cool.
in there.
Where do you want to swim? Okay, all right, you can swim there.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We're gonna start to walk around to Bangkat Bayan. I think Terry will be our guide. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Come here, Perry. Come here. Come here. All right. This is Perry. Where you live exactly?
I live in Buat.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Close to this place. So he's gonna be our guide. So you ready for guiding us to go there?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So guys, you guys are ready for going to there?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. What? You have rice field there.
Yes.
Okay, great. Keep your English. So we just need to break for a while here. There is a little problem that one of our members forgot the key of motorbike. So she should go back to take the key of the motorbike. And our guide Ferry already joined her to take the what do you call for that, the key. So I think we need to wait for them first here. I think this place is very good for to feel the nature. Yeah? The plantation is very good looking here. So yeah, I think it's very good. I never expect that we're gonna do the trekking, guys. I never expected it because once I know about the Bangkat Bayan, I thought that's the Bangkat Bayan. I thought that's the Bangkat Bayan, and now I just know it from. Yeah, good thing that we have a friend here. He's my students as well, but he is a guide now. And then Perry also as the guide know the place, so we still wait for they both for coming back after taking the key. Yeah.
Thank you.
Take this way. Situation, you know. Oh, you guys. Already arrived at the Bayan, what do you call for that? Bayan rice field, yeah. So it's well known as Bangkat Bayan, yeah. So I'm here with my students. I'm gonna ask them about what they're feeling about this place. So let's check it out. I will start from Isma. So Isma, what do you think about this place?
It's nice, bro. We can see the view of our village from here.
Do you think that you can see your place there?
No.
No, it's quite far, yeah.
You can see Cherry Harbor.
Where is the Cherry Harbor? Which one? The most important thing is the in the sea. Yeah. Okay. So how about you, Res? What do you think about this place?
It's great feel.
Great feel.
Yes.
So, do you think what you can do here? Swimming, maybe?
No.
No.
Looking for crab.
Looking for crab.
Yes.
Oh, because a lot of crab
Because
there.
there are many crab.
Many crab.
Yes.
So how about you, Candy? I think you just get lost, right? You go and you leave us, and then you come back. I expected that you bring your motorbike home. Not good. What do you think about this place?
I think this place is very good and natural.
Natural.
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Ferry?
I think this place is very cool and very beautiful.
Cold or cool?
Yes, cool.
Cool. Okay. How about you?
This place is very beautiful and very fresh.
Very fresh.
Yes.
Yeah, you are from close to this place, right?
Yeah.
So can you explain me more about this place?
In here,
Okay. Look at the camera.
we can
Wait.
mendudul.
Mendudul.
Yes.
What we call mendudul? Fishing. Yeah.
Yes, we're fishing.
The small fish.
Yes.
What kind of thing that we can? What kind of fish we can get here? Blukus?
Yes, blue.
Lukus?
Belut.
Belut.
Yes. Lindung.
Lindung. Okay. I know it. Okay. All right. Dika, what do you think about this place? Come here. Come here.
Nice and then beautiful.
Nice and beautiful. Hey, Josh. What do you think about this place?
Very cool.
Very cool. Cold.
Yes.
So it's freezing, yeah?
Yes.
It's so natural. What do you feel? What do you feel? I mean, you happy to be
Yes.
here? You're very happy.
Happy, yes.
But your face looks like you're not happy. Okay. All right. How about you, Randy?
I think this place is very beautiful and cool.
Very cold.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it your first time to come in here?
Yes.
First time come here. Okay. So how about you, Daddy? What do you think about this place?
Nice, beautiful.
Nice, beautiful. Okay, all right. And Ricky, look at the camera. What do you think about this place? Beautiful? Yes. Yes. Okay. All right. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. Rachel. All right. It's not. Yeah. Okay. We got two ladies here, two girls. So, Junita, yeah? So what do you think about this place?
This place is very interesting too for take a picture.
Oh, to take the picture. Good spot, photo spot. How about you, Jacinta?
There is one word, it's beautiful, and I not found other place.
Okay, you never found it.
Yes.
Okay, so this is your guys' first time to come here? First time?
Yes.
Okay, first time. Okay, thank you. Got crab, big rain here, guys.